Everyone assumes the best-selling whole house surge protector is the safest choice, but popularity and real protection are two different things. If you want protection that actually covers your electronics and wiring, you need to look past the pretty listings and check the specs.
Product number 1. Eaton CHSPT2ULTRA. First up is Eaton CHSPT2ULTRA Ultimate Surge Protection 3rd Edition. The brand and the product name grabbed me. Eaton is a heavyweight in electrical gear, and this unit sits at $116.65 with a 4.8-star rating from 2,849 reviews and 400+ bought in the last month. If you want stronger panel-level protection and broad compatibility, this one is worth a serious look. At $116.65, it's one of the pricier options here, and some reviewers said installation felt unclear for DIYers. I'll be real with you, if you're not comfortable near your breaker box, you'll want an electrician. But it's not inherently hard. The universal fit removes a lot of compatibility guessing, so the price covers a trusted brand and easier matching. This is perfect for you if you want brand confidence and a unit that fits most load centers. Skip it if you need the absolute cheapest option or plan to DIY without basic electrical comfort. Good value if you want a long-term, widely compatible protector. Now, if Eaton's higher price tag bothered you, the next option takes a different angle with big surge specs and a solid warranty.
Product number 2. Square D HEPD80. Next is the Square D HEPD80 Universal Whole House Surge Protection Device from Schneider Electric, priced at $86.35 with a 4.7-star rating from 1,343 reviews and 300+ bought recently. What caught my eye is the 80,000 amp surge current rating and the NEMA 4X rating. Those are headline numbers that scream serious protection. If you want high amp clamping and outdoor rated durability, this is worth a serious look. That's mostly an administrative headache, not a performance one. If you buy from a reputable seller and keep your receipt, you get excellent coverage and a 75K residential downline warranty that actually helps if a protected device fails. This is perfect for you if you want a high KA, outdoor rated unit and a strong warranty. Skip it if you can't or won't keep proof of purchase, or you need ultra-simple plug-in installation. Value is strong for high-amp protection. Alright, that was heavy-duty KA coverage. If you want something much more budget-friendly but still effective, the next Eaton model changes the trade-off. Product number 3, Eaton CHSPT2SURGE Type 2 Whole Home Surge Protector. This one is the budget Eaton pick at $55.64 with a 4.7-star rating from 1,232 reviews and 50+ bought recently. What stood out is the price-to-brand ratio, Eaton reliability at a low entry cost. If you want basic whole home protection without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. If you live in a lightning-prone area or want top-tier KA protection, this isn't the heavy hitter, but for most neighborhoods and as primary entry protection, it's an excellent value. You get Eaton engineering at a mid-range KA for roughly half the price of the Ultra model. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, panel-compatible Type 2 protector. Skip it if you need the highest KA rating or live in a lightning hotspot. Value for money is strong for normal residential risk. Now, if you want the cheapest physical option and have a tight budget, the next Eaton breaker-style unit takes a different approach. Product number 4, Eaton BRNSURGE. Fourth is the Eaton BRNSURGE Type BR Whole Panel Circuit Breaker Surge Protective Device, priced at $41.95 with a 4.8-star rating from 939 reviews and 400+ bought recently. What I noticed is how inexpensive it is and that it installs as a breaker-style device. If you want the lowest cost panel solution that integrates into a BR panel, give this a serious look. This is more of a budget branch-level option. If your main concern is large lightning strikes or protecting high-value gear, this isn't enough. but as a low-cost, easy-to-install backup or for less critical panels, it's a smart, cheap choice. This is perfect for you if you need the cheapest breaker-style option or want supplemental protection on a budget. Skip it if you want primary, high Ka whole-house defense for expensive electronics. Value is clear for budget installs. If panel space or low Ka bothered you, the next product offers a middle ground with a dedicated home-line plug-on breaker design.
Product number 5, Square D HOM2175SB. Finally, the Square D HOM2175SB surge breaker from Schneider Electric at $79.15 with a 4.7-star rating from 964 reviews and 300 plus bought recently. What caught my attention is the plug-on installation and 25 Ka rating combined with brand integration. Square D makes Homeline panels, so this matches perfectly. If you have a Square D Homeline load center, this is worth a serious look. If your panel isn't Homeline, this is a deal breaker, but if you already own a Homeline panel, this is actually a strong value because the fit and install time saved often outweigh the slightly lower Ka. This is perfect for you if your main panel is Square D Homeline and you want plug-on convenience. Skip it if your panel is a different brand. Value-wise, it's a good mid-range pick for the Homeline ecosystem. That wraps the list. Each of these takes a different approach to Ka, form factor, and price.
For highest-rated, widely compatible protection, consider the Eaton CHSPT2ULTRA. For big Ka and outdoor-rated durability, pick the Square D HEPD80. If you want budget whole home protection, go Eaton CHSPT2SURGE. For cheapest breaker style option, try the Eaton BRNSURGE. And if you have a Homeline panel, the Square D HOM2175SB is the easiest fit.